What if I told you that one of the world's most beloved dishes was actually born out of a happy accident? Imagine this. Delhi, 1947. A bustling kitchen at the legendary Moti Mahal restaurant. Leftover tandoori chicken sat waiting, and instead of wasting it, the chefs decided to simmer it in a rich tomato, butter, and cream sauce. The result? Butter chicken, or morg makhani, a dish that would go on to conquer taste buds across the globe. But here's the twist. Did you know butter chicken wasn't originally meant to be a signature dish? It was simply a clever way to repurpose leftovers, yet it became a culinary icon. Over time, it spread from India to London, New York, and Sydney, becoming a staple in Indian restaurants worldwide. Fun fact, butter chicken is often confused with chicken tikka masala, but while the latter was created in Britain, butter chicken is authentically Indian. Another fascinating detail is that the dish's balance of smoky tandoori flavor with creamy tomato gravy makes it one of the earliest examples of fusion cuisine, blending Mughlai traditions with modern improvisation. Today, it's not just food, it's history served on a plate, a reminder of how creativity in the kitchen can spark global legends. So, next time you savor that velvety sauce, remember, you're tasting a story that began almost 80 years ago in a small Delhi kitchen. And if you love uncovering the origins of iconic dishes like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because more delicious stories are coming your way.